Furniture pieces such as a chair or table can be sliding around, especially on hard surface. It can be annoying and dangerous, especially when you have young kids. So here, as you can see, the piano bench, as well as my solid wood heavy duty dining table, can be easily pushed and moved around. An easy solution is to just buy this anti-slip pads from Amazon. Typically sell for $10 for 8 pieces, pre-cut in round or square shape. The problem with this pad is they are low quality in general. So you have a very thin layer of black uh, Eva kind of foam like piece, and there's a felt in the middle. Um, you can easily stick it on surface, but it won't stay on. And for my chair, the leg, I used four on them, and after half a year use, two of them already just disappeared, and the other two are in a very bad shape. It doesn't prevent the chair from sliding around. In order to have a long-lasting anti-sliding effect of the furniture, I used my shoe repairing material, Vibram Sewing Sheet, for this project. The density, flexibility, 3D surface, and 4 mm thickness can provide enough anti-sliding effect. Then I measure and cut the sheet into different pieces. The piano bench has been used for 7 years, and the thin layer of felt is in bad shape. So I removed it and then filed the surface of the bottom of the leg. Because the back of the sewing sheet is already pre-filed, so the after we prepare for the surface of the leg, then the next step would be put the barge cement, a layer of them on top of both sides. So one side on the end of the bench leg and the other side on the back of the sewing sheet. A simple layer of cement is enough. So wait about 7 minutes until they are dry to touch. Then you can put them together. They will stick to each other. It really depends on the temperature. Then I use a lightweight hammer to slightly tap each one to make it further bond. After that, I can do some micro cutting, especially to remove the four sharp corners a little bit, and then remove the painter's tape. When the project is done, the bench stays on the ground very stable, and I cannot push it easily. Use the similar method and material. I'll also add the pads to my dining table. Um, I add small pieces to the plastic fitting and then cut them, make them round shape. And after that, the dining table, which was very heavy and sliding around, now become very stable on the ground.